Hi everyone, I have today for you my Macy's beauty box for February. I just opened the box, try to save myself some time here. This is $15 a month. You do sign up on Macys.com. I think this is a phenomenal box. It's generally a monthly favorite. And I'll give you a little sneak peek into the box this month. And you do get this little card in your box. And I have $5 off my next $20 beauty purchase on Macys.com. You could get 10 off your next $40. I do use these quite frequently. They do give you a QR code to scan so you can see the items. I don't generally do that. I don't find it necessary, but you can scan it with your phone. And the theme is Glam Goodies for Galentine's. So it's a little bit after, but we're going to do the Macy's box. You get 5, usually deluxe samples. We get perfume samples. You do get a bonus most months. And I'm just going to take everything out that I see. That's nice. And I'm going to, I'll just put the box here. So it always comes wrapped in nice tissue. And then we have 2 items outside the tissue. And these are hair clips. Can you see the hair clips? I'm not going to open them. I don't use hair clips. So there's one pink and one red. I will add these to a giveaway box. They're really cute. They probably would look really cute in your hair. So I'll share them. That's nice. And then also outside of the wrapping is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Great product. Open it up. That smells nice. And it does smell like rose. So if you are scent sensitive, this is not for you. And then let's unwrap the tissue and see what we have. So we have from MAC, we have Magic Extension Mascara right here. So this is a good size, and this is a sample right here. And I have used that, very nice. So let's pop her back in there. Let's get rid of this tissue. It always bugs me. So we'll just get rid of that. Then we have for our perfume sample from Jean Paul Gaultier. And this is Divine. Right here. And here is what it looks like. I can't smell it. I don't like to spray these because then that's all I smell throughout anything else that I'm doing here. It smells good. Doesn't tell you. I'd have to read the back. I am a woman. What's more divine? Nice. I like the packaging. Like there's what the real bottle looks like. Cute. To have these displayed would be awesome. Perfume is so expensive. That's why I love getting the samples. And then we also have from NYX Smooth Whip. Small little sample. What are you? Matte Lip Cream. It is sealed. So let me just break the seal. So we can open it. Ooh, that's red. Okay, won't be using that. No. From Estee Lauder. Oh my God, these samples are so small I can't even see it. Futurist Peptide Power Serum Primer. Right there, a little sample, but enough to give it a try. Oh, what is this? Smashbox. We have a tiny little liquid lip, it looks like. Right here. Let's see what you look like. There's the shade. I could wear that. And I could always add a little pink on top of it, just to change the color of it slightly if it's a little too dark, but happy to have that. That's really pretty, actually, right here once again. So we have the mascara, the perfume, the NYX Smooth Whip, the little primer from Estee Lauder, the Smashbox Liquid Lip, the hair clips, cute, and then this is full size from Elemis. I think it's full size. Might be. Their cleansing balm. And that's everything for Macy's for February. I think still a good value for what you, considering for, you know, the $15, comparing it to other ones of comparable value. I definitely think this one is always going to be a top for me. Has it been in the past always a top? No. There for a while, Macy's started to decline in their boxes, and I canceled. And then I did notice it was starting to come back and get better and better and better. And I still think it is a good value for $15. It is cheaper than Ipsy. Ipsy is now, let me just look at my little card here. Is 16? No, how much is it? 14? Let me find my other card. Yeah, it's $14 plus $2 shipping and handling. So that's $16 right off the bat, plus I pay tax for samples. And the samples that we generally get from Ipsy are, you know, the same size, you know, as these three. Do we get a full size? Not every bag that I've seen. So we have the clips and this, and then the mascara, the perfume. So the products are different. Let's put it that way. I still find that Macy's is a favorite. Is it a favorite versus Macy's every single month? No. Sometimes Ipsy is better. Sometimes Macy's is better. So that's, you know, up for you to decide. But I definitely think this is a good value for what you're getting each month. Usable products. I mean, I could use the hair clips. I can still get my hair up on a clip. It's long enough to pull it up. I just don't. My hair is down all the time. It's rarely up. Even in the summer months. It's not. My hair is heavy and thick and hot. I'm not out in the summer heat all the time. And, you know, I used to have it up. I have a huge bag full of hair clips. When my hair was long, it was up all the time because it was too much. So why have long hair then? If it was never down, why did I need to have long hair? So that's why I keep it shoulder length. I can keep it down and keep it styled nicer. So the hair clips are just not necessary for me these days. So I'll share those. That's probably the only thing I'll share, honestly. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you get Macy's? If you don't, and you get boxes, or you would like to get a box, would you consider getting this one? I have no affiliate with Macy's. Just asking if you would consider getting it if you don't already. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.